Get ready to test your brain power with a super fun general knowledge challenge. Let's jump in and see who can score the highest. What is the tallest brick minaret in the world located in Delhi? A. Lotus Temple. B. Qutub Minar. C. India Gate. D. Red Fort. The correct answer is B. Qutub Minar. Fun fact: Qutub Minar stands at 73 meters tall and is part of the Qutub Complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Which monument is situated on the banks of the Yamuna River and is also known as the symbol of love in India? A. Fatehpur Sikri. B. Akshardham. C. Red Fort. D. Taj Mahal. The correct answer is D. Taj Mahal. Fun fact: the Taj Mahal, built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a tribute to his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Which monument in Jaipur is known for its distinctive facade with numerous windows? A. Amba Fort. B. Nahargarh Fort. C. Hawa Mahal. D. City Palace. The correct answer is C. Hawa Mahal. Fun fact: Hawa Mahal, also known as the Palace of Winds, has 953 small windows to allow royal women to observe street festivities without being seen. What is the historic fort that served as the capital of the Mughal Empire until 1638? A. Agra Fort. B. Red Fort. C. Jaisalmer Fort. D. Chittorgarh Fort. The correct answer is A. Agra Fort. Fun fact: Agra Fort is another UNESCO World Heritage Site and is noted for its Indo-Islamic architecture. The Gateway of India is situated in which city? A. New Delhi. B. Kolkata. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. The correct answer is C. Mumbai. Which temple complex in Tamil Nadu is famous for its Dravidian architecture and massive gopurams, gateway towers? A. Brihadiswarar Temple. B. Meenakshi Temple. C. Rameshwaram Temple. D. Hampi Temple. The correct answer is B. Meenakshi Temple. Fun fact: Meenakshi Temple in Madurai is renowned for its intricate carvings and grand architecture dating back to the 7th century. Which statue is known as the tallest statue in the world as of 2024, dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? A. Statue of Liberty. B. Spring Temple Buddha. C. Statue of Unity. D. Christ the Redeemer. The correct answer is C. Statue of Unity. Fun fact: inaugurated in 2018, the Statue of Unity stands at 182 meters tall and is located in Gujarat, India, symbolizing India's unity and integrity. Which UNESCO World Heritage Site in Madhya Pradesh is famous for its ancient stupas and Buddhist architecture? A. Ajanta Caves. B. Sanchi Stupa. C. Khajuraho Temples. D. Ellora Caves. The correct answer is B. Sanchi Stupa. Which temple, located in Odisha, is famous for its chariot-like structure and dedicated to the sun god? A. Brihadiswarar Temple. B. Konark Sun Temple. C. Jagannath Temple. D. Meenakshi Temple. The correct answer is B. Konark Sun Temple. Which memorial in Kolkata is dedicated to Queen Victoria and serves as a museum and tourist destination? A. India Gate. B. Gateway of India. C. Victoria Memorial. D. Rani Mukherjee Memorial. The correct answer is C. Victoria Memorial. Woohoo! Congratulations, you did an amazing job on the quiz. Share your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exciting challenges.